Okay guys, welcome to this slightly different video that I'm going to be doing. So this is aimed at GCSE Foundation tier maths, so GCSE Foundation students, okay, and this is like a typical starter that I would do if I was delivering like a lesson for like a year 11 or even like a year 10 class. Okay, so the way this works here is like a warm-up challenge. Each slide that I go on to, so the next slide, I've got to follow what it asks me to do, okay? And I follow like a series of different steps, and then I get to like an end answer. Okay, so feel free to obviously pause it, guys, as we go along. Okay, try each of the parts yourselves. Okay, make sure that you do it in the chronological order, so the order that I'm going to do it in. Okay, and then come back and press play and feel free to obviously check your answer as we go along. Okay, so we're going to start with this number. So the number is 240. Okay, the first part is to find 40%. So I've got to work out 40% of 240. Okay, now there are multiple different ways that I can do this. I'm going to work out what 10% is. So 10% of any number means divide it by 10. So 10% will be equal to 24. Okay, take off a 0. So 10% would equal 24. 40% will equal 4 lots of 24. So 4 lots of 24, or 24 times 4. Okay, so doing this together, guys, 4 fours are 16, so 6 carry the 1. 4 times 20 is 80, plus the 1 is going to be 90, sorry, yeah, okay. So 4 times 2 is 8, plus the 1 is 9. Sorry about that, I think my mind just went blank there for a second. So after this first step, the answer you should get is 96. I'm now going to add 4. 96 plus 4 is 100. Okay, I'll write it down here, guys. So 96 plus 4 is equal to 100. Okay, next part, take the square root of 100. Okay, now in this particular purpose, okay, someone might say, well, the answer should be like plus or minus 10, but we're taking like the positive root, so we're going to have the answer of 10. Okay, so we will disregard the plus and minus, okay, because that is just going to confuse us and give us like different set of answers. So the square root of any number, I'm taking the positive root of that number, which is 10. 10 times 10 is 100. Add 3 is 13. So 10 add 3, guys, is 13. Okay, next part, I've got to square 13. 13 squared means 13 times 13, which is 169, guys. But feel free to use long multiplication to work it out. Okay, 13 times 13, okay, is 169. Okay, for that. Okay, next part, it says add 11, so 169 add 11, well, that's going to give me 180. Okay, and this is where like the next bit might confuse you, so I apologize if I'm going to confuse you on like the last few slides. 180. The next part, I've got to find 20% of 180. So 20% of 180, well, 10% of 180 is going to be 18. So I'm going to double that and I'll get 36. So 20% of 180 is 36, guys. I'm now going to work out the square root. So the square root of 36, okay, is 6. The next part says round 6 to the nearest 10. Well, 6 is closer to 10 than it is to 0. So the answer would be 10. Okay. 10 add 50, okay, gives us our golden answer. 10 add 50 is equal to 60, guys. So your answer right at the end is 60, okay? So that's the answer that you should have got, okay, right at the end. So the answer, your final answer, should be 60, guys. Okay, so feel free to let me know in the comments, okay, whether you got that right or were there any bits that you weren't sure how to do. Then I'll try it and obviously do like a separate video, but I thought I'd make like a little short like starter video of what I would do in like a typical like year 11 lesson. Okay, and I think this is actually fantastic because it gives like good practice, and it's revising like a wide range of skills. I'm gonna do one for the higher tiers, so I've got a separate video for the higher tiers, so feel free to tune into that if you're doing higher tier. Okay, but that's it from me today, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this slightly different, okay, stranger starter video. Okay, please subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye for now.